Hi boys and girls, please put your name at the top of your paper. We are continuing our 10 frame subtraction this week. So remember, when we fill in the numbers, we have to start with how many 10 frame boxes are full, and then we make our way to crossing off some and then seeing what's left. So on our first 10 frame, how many did we have that are full? There's 8, and then 2 are crossed off. So our subtraction problem is going to be 8 minus 2. How many does that leave? It leaves 6. Very good. On the next box, we have 8 10 frames full, and we cross off 4. And that leaves 4 left. On our next 10 frame, we started with 7, and we crossed off 4, so that leaves 3. In our next box, we had 10, and we crossed off 6, so that leaves 4. Good. Let's keep going. Take a look at the next one. How many 10 frame boxes are full? There's 9. How many were crossed off? 7, and that leaves 2. On the next 10 frame, we started with 6. How many were crossed off? 2, and that leaves how many left? 4. And on the next one, we have 4, and we're crossing off 2, and we have 2 left. In the next box, we have 5. We crossed off 4, and that leaves 1. In the next box, we have 7 total, and we cross off 2, and there's 5 left. And for our last one, how many did we start with? 8. And we crossed off 5. And how many are left? 3. Very good, boys and girls. All right. Now let's turn it, I'm sorry, on the back. And we have some more 10 frames. So this time, I want you to push pause and try this on your own. And then when you're finished, do play and see if yours matches mine. So go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're done. Okay, boys and girls, now that you've given it a try, I'm going to go a little bit faster now because you should have already done it. We're starting with 17, and then we crossed off 8, and that leaves, what's the answer? 9. Good. Okay, next one we have 15 boxes that are open, and we're going to cross off 7. And how many are left? 8. Good. On our next problem, we have 16 boxes that are full. And then we're crossing off 9. And 7 are left. Next we have 13. Cross off 6. And how many are left, boys and girls? 7. Okay, last one. We start with 12. We cross off 2, and we are left with 10. So hopefully you were able to get those right, and you're understanding how to use a 10 frame to help you subtract and turn this into your teacher.